Hi guys! Welcome sa aking munting kusina. Ang menu for today is I have here chicken salona. Medyo maanghang po siya. Yan. And ito po ay pansit canton and dumi pansit canton. Spicy flavor. Hinaluan ko po siya ng gulay para medyo healthy po ang ating gulay. Pina-healthy ang ating pansit canton. May iba naman po, kaya hinaluan natin ng gulay para healthy. So yummy, may hotdog, may beans, and may Baguio pichay. And thank you for watching guys. Don't forget to follow me. God bless everyone.